Good morning student and welcome to the online math class of class 10th. In the previous video I will explain the exercise 9.1 1 to 6 questions. Now in this video we have to explain the question number 7 and other than question. So we have to start this video. After that concern, that's you have to complete your work from 1 to 6 question, and you understood all the concept related with the question number 1 to 6. So we have to start my video with the help of my question number 7th of exercise 9.1. Here the question is, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building are 45 and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of a tower. So here a building is there. So here a building is there, you very well know. Okay, so building is just like you have to suppose that this is a building BC. Okay, and on the building a tower is there. इस बिल्डिंग पर आपके पास ये टावर है AB. तो बिल्डिंग इज BC एंड टावर इज AB, and you have to stand at the point of D, and you have to see the top of a tower and the bottom of a tower. So first of all you have to see the top of a tower, then you have to make an angle 60, and if you have to see the bottom of a tower, then that time you have to make an angle 45. Are you understand how what is the question it says in the says? So again I will repeat कि here a building BC and a tower AB are stand on the top of a building, and then one person or you are, just suppose that you are stand at the point of D and you have to see the top of a tower. So top of a tower is A, you have to see the A, then that type the angle is made with the ground, you have a 60. And when you have to see the bottom of a tower, just like bottom of a tower is B, then the angle is made is 45. So this is a figure, and by this figure you have to solve your question, and now you have to understood what the question is says. So we have to express these things with the help of some lines is there. So let BC is a building, AB is a transmission tower, and D is the point on the ground from where the elevation angle are to be measured. Here the elevation angle is two angles are formed, first for the top of a tower and second is for the bottom of a tower. So for the first triangle, here the first triangle you have to consider, this is this triangle BDC, that's mean BCD. This triangle you have to consider it, and then after you very well know you have to find the base. Okay, you have to find the base, and base is BC, base is CD. Here the base is CD, and top of building height is 20 meter. Okay, that's things is given in the question. Building height BC is given, that is a 20, and the base of the building and the point of the D distance is you have to find, and this is a base. So this is a perpendicular and this is a base, and you have to know what is the relation between a perpendicular and base. So you have know the answer. This is, so here the theta is 45, so tan 45 is equal to perpendicular is BC and base is CD, so BC upon CD. Now tan theta यानी कि tan 45 is equal to BC upon CD, and put the value of BC here, so that's value is 20. So 20 upon CD, here you have to see this 20 upon CD is equal to 1. Tan 45 value you have, you know okay, that is a value is 1. So that's mean 45, that's mean 1 is equal to 20 upon CD. Now you have to do the cross multiplication, just like 20 upon CD is equal to 1 and cross multiplication you have to multiply these things to this, so that means 2d 20 is equal to cd. So by this way you have to solve this question, okay, and find the value of cd. Here you have to find the value of cd, okay. Now you have to do the same process for the next triangle, and that triangle is acd. That's the acd, okay. So this triangle is acd. So now you have to consider the triangle ACD here, and this triangle you have to help for finding the uh, top of height of a tower. So this is a triangle ACD, and in this triangle you very well know perpendicular is AC and base is CD. So AC upon CD is equal to theta is equal to here 60, so tan 60. Then after you very well know, okay, if you find the AC, then you know that the value of AC is equal to you have this value. This is an AC. So AC is made with the help of AB and BC. Okay, AC is made with the help of AB and BC. So we have to write here this type. तो AC के प्लेस पर you have to write AB plus BC upon CD is equal to tan 60, that's mean under root 3. Now you have to put the value of BC. So AB plus BC is equal to 20, you very well know, and CD you have to calculate here. So this is a 20. So AB plus 20 upon 20 is equal to under root 3. So this is a value here you have to write, and then after you have to do the cross multiplication. 20 multiplied by root 3, so that's value is 20 root 3, and then after you have to subtract this value. So 20 root 3 minus 20, and then after you have to do the common 20 here. To do the common 20, and this value is converted into 20 root 3 minus 1. Clear? So now you have to do the answer of AC. So AC is equal to AC. No. Now you have to find here AB. AB is equal to 20 bracket root 3 minus 1. So by this way you have to find the height of a tower, transmission tower. You have to find this height. Clear? So you have to do the calculation properly. This question is not so hard. So you have to do the figure. First of all, if you have to create a figure, that time you have to solve or see how to solve this question. Okay, and only figure is able to do the question, and if you are not create the figure, that time you are not able to do this question. So first of all you have to create a figure, and then after you have to do the question, then your question is 100% correct. Okay, now the next question you have, next question is a status 1.6 meter, a statue 1.6 meter tall stand on the top of the pedestal for a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45. Find the height of the pedestal. That's mean it will says this question is just same from the next previous question. I will tell you only that figure, how to create the figure, then after you have to solve this question yourself. Okay, so I will help to create this figure. हेयर इट विल से कि एक पेडिस्टिक है, दिस इज ए पेडिस्टिक, ए बी आपने मान लिया, तो ए बी इज अ पेडिस्टिक है. ओके, दिस इज अ पेडिस्टिक, एंड ऑन दैट पेडिस्टिक अ स्टैच्यू इज स्टैंड. दिस इज योर स्टैच्यू. पेडिस्टिक पर स्टैच्यू रखा हुआ है. ठीक है, तो यू हैव टू सपोज कि बी सी इज ए पेडिस्टिक and AB is a statue that is stand on the top of the pedestal. So statue height is given here, AB is equal to 1.6. So you have to write here AB is equal to 1.6 and you have to find the statue, the pedestal height. That's mean you have to find the value of BC. Now if any person stand on the point D and that see the top of the statue, that's mean A, then it will make the angle 60. This is a value, and then after it will see the bottom of a statue, then that time it will make the angle 45. So this is the figure. By this figure you have to solve this question. This question is do as the help of a question number 7. So it is your homework, do it yourself. Now we have to explain the next question. Next question is, the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60. If the tower is 50-meter high, then find the height of the building. So here I will tell you how to draw this figure, how to draw the figure of that question. So see these things. Here it will say कि AB is a building. Okay, you have to suppose कि AB is a building and CD is a tower. You have to suppose कि AB is a building, this is a building and this is a tower. Okay, you have to suppose कि AB is a building and CD is a tower, and you very well know by this question कि AB is the smallest and CD is the higher or longest form. So that's why we have to write AB is a small compared to the CD. CD is a high longer thing with compared to the AB. Clear? So here the tower height is given, tower height is 50 meter, that is a 50 meter, and you have to find the height of a building. Okay, now what is the condition is given in this question is कि if you have to stand at the bottom of a building, then you have to see the top of a tower, that time the angle is made 60. Clear? If you have to stand at the bottom of at the foot of a building and then you have to see the top of a tower, then the angle is made by the 60. Reverse it. If you have to stand at the foot of the tower and see the top of a building, that time the angle is made 30. Clear? So this is a question. So first of all you have to create the building is smaller compared to the tower, so you have to create AB, and then after you have to create the CD is a tower, and then after if you have to stand at the foot of the building and see the top of a tower, that time the angle is made 60, and reversing these things, if you have to stand at the foot of the tower and see the top of a building, that time angle is made 30. So this situation is given in this question. Clear? Now you have to solve this question with the help of the trigonometry, because the 90 degree is formed here and here, so you have to use the trigonometry here and then find the answer. So here you have to find the height of a building. So how to find the height of a building? See this question. Now you have to see this question, how to find this value. Okay, so how to find this value? You very well know. Okay, first of all you have to use this triangle. This is the name of CDB, or you have to say BCD. This is a triangle that is used firstly. So in this triangle you know that D is the point where the 90 degrees to be formed, and here P is 50 and base you have to find. Okay, so perpendicular upon base formula. What is the formula of perpendicular upon base? This is a as usually you know that okay, this is a tan theta, so you have to use the tan theta here. So tan theta is equal to perpendicular, this is a perpendicular upon base, this is a base, so CD upon BD, and theta is there is 60, so tan 60 is equal to CD upon BD. Then after you have to put the value of CD is 50 upon BD is equal to tan 60, tan 60 value is root 3, and then after your value is you have after calculation, that's value is BD is equal to 50 upon under root 3, and then after you have to come in this triangle, this triangle is ABD. So in this triangle you have to see, so in ABD you very well know you have to find the perpendicular and base is you have. After this you have a base. Okay, this base is same for the tower and a building. So that's why that's value BD is a common for this triangle and this triangle also. Now you have to use the AB is perpendicular and BC is BD is a base. So AB upon BD is equal to tan 30. Now you know that what is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 is AB is equal to, you have to find AB, and BD is equal to, you know that the value is 50 upon under root 3 is equal to tan 30 value, tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Now you have to do outside this side after the equal to side, so then that time ye 50 upon under root 3 is going there after before the equal to, and then after it will convert into the multiply just like that. So here what value you have? This value you have AB is equal to 50 upon under root 3 into 1 upon under root 3. Tan 30 value is 1 upon under root 3, and then after this value converted into 50 upon 3, because root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. So 50 upon 3, that means 16 2 upon 3, that is a value of the height of the building in the meter. So by this way you have to solve this question, and this is quite easy question, not for so difficult, so you have to do the easily of this question. But here the hard job is in this question is you have to create the figure for this question. When you have to create the figure, that time you have to easily do all these question properly. Okay, now we have to come on the next question. This is the 10th question. In this question we have to explain how to do this question and what is the figure of it, and then after you have to do this question at your home. This is your HW question, your homework question. I will explain what is the figure of it and how the figure is created. So in this question you see two poles of a equal height. So there is a two pole, that is the first pole is AB, second pole is CD, that have an equal height. That's mean if this is the height of H, then this is automatically converted into H. So if the AB height is H, then it is equal to the CD, so CD is also have the height is H. Clear? तो दोनों की height equal है यहाँ पर. Then after आर स्टैंडिंग अपोजिट टू ईच, तो ये दोनों एक दूसरे के अपोजिट में खड़े हैं, ठीक है. एंड अदर साइड ऑफ द रोड, दोनों रोड के एक दूसरे के अपोजिट में हैं. तो हेयर two pole is there AB and CD, and that are standing at the opposite side, and also it is the अदर साइड ऑफ द रोड के दूसरे साइड पर खड़े हैं, और जिनके बीच की जो डिस्टेंस है वो आपके पास 80 मीटर के रेस्पेक्ट में है. दैट्स वाइड रोड इज 80 मीटर. ओके, नाउ फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट बिटवीन देम ऑन द रोड, द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन of the top are 60 and 30. That time this is a road, BD is a road, and on the road there is a point O, and you have to see the top of that building of this the top of this pole, that is a. Then the angle is made 60, and if you have to see the next top of a pole, that is a C, then the angle is made by 30. This is says in this line. And then after find the height of the pole and the distance of the point from the pole. तो you have to find the height of a pole. पहले तो आपको height निकालनी है इनकी, and then after you have to find the distance of the O from the B and D both. Then after this question is complete. So you very well know, first of all you have to suppose the height of the distance of this OD is equal to x, and then after this distance is converted into 80 minus x. Then after you have to solve this question. This distance is 80 minus x and this distance is x, and then after you have to solve this question. First of all you have to do in the triangle is this. Okay, this triangle, and first of all you have to do in this triangle, and second you have to work on that triangle, and then after you have to find the answer. Here the solution is given, so you have to use this solution also, and then you have to write this question in your notebook. Okay, now we have to explain the next question. So next question is question number 11. Okay, so in this question it is also be quite similar to the question number 7. So here we have to also explain how the figure is created in this question, and then after you have to do this question at your home, and this is also be an HW यानी कि homework question. Okay, here you see a tower, a TV tower. This is a TV tower stand on a vertically on the bank of a canal. ये कैनल के एक फॉर्म पर वर्टिकली खड़ा है, ठीक है. फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60. So here you have to stand at the point of C and see the top of a tower. That time the angle is created 60, and whenever you have to away from this point to 20 meter, that time you have to stay at the point of D, and then you have to see the top of a tower. That time angle is created 30. So you have to find the height of a tower, and width of a canal. So you have to find the width of a canal and also height of a tower. Okay, so these things you have to find in this question. So which things you have to find? First of all you have to find this height, and also you have to find this distance. Okay, with the help of these things. Okay, so this question is also quite similar from the question number 6 and 7. So you have to take the help of question number 6 and 7 for solve this question. So now I have to stop my video at this question. I feel you everyone do this question in your notebook, and also do all the homework in your notebook. So thank you for watching this video. If any type of concern related with this question, then you have to ask me and comment me as soon as possible. I have to reply you and reduce your problem. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.